Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Adrian Margie Bello from Puma Department, and we discuss the compassion. Compassion is a vital human value that involves empathy, kidneys, and concern for the well-being of others and the environment. In this lecture, we'll explore what compassion means, how expressed in caring for others and the environment, and the role communal discernment in creating a more compassionate world. So, what is compassion? Compassion is the emotional response when we perceive someone suffering and feel motivated to help. It's more than just empathy. While empathy means feeling what another feels, compassion adds the desire to relieve that suffering, and compassion is about understanding and sharing the feeling of the others and taking action to alleviate the suffering. It's a mindset that recognizes our interconnectedness with all being and the planet. Compassion is not just a feeling, but a choice to act with kidneys, empathy, and understanding. Compassion is expressed many ways, such as volunteering, donating to worthy cause, and simply being present for someone in need. In environmental care, compassion involves recognize the impact of our action on the planet, taking steps to reduce our footprint. This can include sustainable living practice, reducing waste, and advocating for environmental policies. And communal discernment is the process of coming together as a community to reflect, discuss, and decide on action that promote compassion and the common good. It involves listening to diverse perspectives, sharing experience, and seeking guidance from others. Through communal assessment, we can identify ways to create a more compassionate world and work together to make it happen. And this is the biological basis. Humans are wired for compassion. Studies show that when people act compassionately, areas of the brain related to pleasure and bonding, like the insula and anterior cingulate cortex, light up. It triggers oxytocin, the love hormone, creating trust and social bonding. So, the awareness of suffering, noticing someone is in pain, physical, emotional, mental. Emotional response, feeling concern or carry for their pain, while desire to help, wanting to reduce or eliminate that suffering. Benefits of compassion. This is the benefits of compassion. Um, for others, reduce suffering and pain, improves relationship, builds stronger communicate, and for ourselves or for yourself, increase happiness and well-being, reduce stress and anxiety, boost physical health, and stronger immune system, lower blood pressure. So that's the and compassion is a powerful force that not only help others but also you transform us. It connect us, strength society, and bring out the best in humanity. And that's all. And thank you for listening to my Thank you for the listening to my video, and I hope you like it.